The best solution for fastening thin panels is called the Pwr Drive Fib. You are looking right now at a pan washer head screw. This screw has been used for decades by woodworkers to fasten MDF or thin masonite. These boards are simply too soft or too thin to use a regular flathead screw. So a pan washer screw would be the screw of choice. In this case, it's just that it doesn't look very good. That's why we're introducing the Pwr Drive Fib. Overall, fairly similar screw, same size head, same strength with a much better look. 3 popular colors to fit most panels, as quick, easy, convenient as the pan washer. Let's give it a try. So there you go, Pwr Drive Fib.